Okay, I'm going to show you the latest things that Geoff has been doing on my W650. It's quite nice as usual. Have a look at that. At the end of the exhaust pipe. The exhaust pipe has been totally dismantled by Geoff, and he totally emptied it. There's nothing inside anymore. It's all gone. So now the sound of his bike has quite changed a bit. Do you want to hear? Listen to that. That's idling. Let's see when we arrive at it. Sounds cute to me. Okay, what did he do else? Oh yeah, the tank. The knee pads are now brass knee pads. Isn't she cute? And that's the casing for the GoPro Motorsport HD cam, which we are going to take to Africa with us. So actually I'm just testing it today.